You my handsome guy? Yeah. Love you. I love you. I love you. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes, sir. Are people sending you chats? He's chatting, guys. Yeah, he's streaming. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good boy. Look at your little feet. Love you. I love you. I love you. Guys, you're never gonna guess what I have under here. It's a beans. It's beans. Wait. She thinks we're going. Reporting live from under the covers. There's a little monster. There's a little monster in here. Why is there a monster under the blanket? Stop attacking the camera. Stop attacking the camera. She's chewing on the cord. Stop it. She's chewing on the freaking cord. Stop attacking the camera. Stop attacking the camera. Stop it. You stink. You smell like old rotten French fries. Like old McDonald's French fries. It's her breath. Did you throw up? Ew. She smells like kibble and bile. Did you throw up? Beans, where'd you throw up? Guys, I'm gonna have to find some throw up. She has throw up breath. You smell like old rotten McDonald's French fries. Like moldy French fries. Like rancid fryer oil. She stinks so freaking bad. Look at her face. She's like, yeah, I know it. I know I stink. I'm a good girl though. I'm a good girl. I'm so happy. Cute. For those of you that care about my gallery wall, I did just order 7 new items. 3 of them I might sell because I accidentally ordered something twice, if that makes sense. I ordered an Etsy thing and it was 3 of a 4-piece set, and I found the 4-piece set for $20 and the 3-piece set was $60, and I did not know. I should have done a little more research before buying the first one, but oh well. So I spent $80 on 7 pieces of this guy, his work. I'll show you what they are. So this is the set. I accidentally ordered a 3-piece and a 4-piece set. I ordered the 3-piece first, and then I saw the 4-piece for cheaper, and I was like, fuck. But it's Etsy, so I don't want to cancel my order and be an asshole. So I'm gonna keep them, and I'm either going to sell the other set or I'm going to use it in a different room. We'll see. What is up, guys? I didn't bring my scissors. It is 6:01 p.m. I swear I was up and doing stuff today. I was just so busy I kept putting off starting the vlog. So all I have is that one clip of Ollie. I need scissors. I have a package. This one is from mechanicalkeyboards.com. I think y'all might have an idea of what's in there. Don't look at the mess. Don't look at it. It's not there if you don't look at it. I need to put up this picture that my mom gave me for Christmas. I'm going to put it up in the corner. Maybe I'll do that as soon as I get off the vlog so I don't forget. I went roller skating. I went to the gym. I woke up, fed the cats, got up, showered, and got dressed. I went roller skating. I asked them about a garage again so I can get some of this junk out of my apartment, and there's nothing close to me again. So I'm just going to keep checking back. Then I took a nap when I got home, and then I just got up. I did some dishes. I did a little bit of tidying. Not much. I got some trash ready to go for tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going to go get my lashes done. So on the way out the door, I'm going to take some trash with me, and then my mom's going to help me with taking some ornaments to storage. So I have to get those prepped tonight. Hopefully I get that done. But the pièce de résistance. This is the most important part of my keyboard. The keyboard. It's so cute. It's the Ducky one in the Gossamer pink colorway. I've never had a mechanical keyboard before, guys. And the cord gets here sometime this week as well. And same with the PC case. So I'm excited. This how it's packaged. It has a little piece of plastic over it. So cute. It's a really nice box. I'm going to keep that box and use that to store my keycaps. Oh my god, it's so cute. Maybe I'll store my other keyboard in it. We'll see. I have the other keyboard's actual box, so I'll probably just store it in its original box. I did that on purpose. Oh, and it's like hefty, so it's not going to be... I really like the colors. This is the exact shade of pink I was hoping for. This like strawberry, well, I guess it's not really strawberry. This is like a strawberry pink. This is more of like a, I don't know. Hi, baby. That color I would call strawberry pink, but it's not. But that's my favorite shade of pink. And I like the baby pink, and I like that the letters and numbers are pink. So cute. Oh, it does have a knob. I was going to say, I was hoping for, oh, it's not a knob. It's just an escape key. Never mind. She's got a little duck. It's just round. I was hoping for one with a knob, but this one does have these, so good enough for me. Oh, and it even has a little channel for the cord. We'll see if my cord, oh no, because I ordered a coil. So I won't be going in that anyway. God, that's so pretty. Let's see how it sounds. I ordered browns. My cats are being loud. Do you guys still do the like posture where you put your fingers on the F and the J key and then you use your pinky on the caps lock and the shift? I still do the actual posture that we learned in typing class. I'm curious to see if anyone else does. Ooh! Hold on, this is cool. So the foot So it goes out standard, right? But if you want it lower profile, it has a little mini one. That's so cute. I have to figure out what that means. What this thing is. I don't know what that is. It has a little plastic thingy that you're supposed to take off, but I'm going to leave it on for now. It's very cute. I'm very excited. Very excited. It's very adorable. Can't wait for my keycaps to come. They're coming from Japan, even though they're made in China. Like, the manufacturer's in China, but I ordered it from an eBay shop, so it's like, or not eBay, Etsy, so it's a reseller, but they had it for $60, and it sold out from the manufacturer, so it's coming from Japan instead of China. And my case is coming from California, and I have a single escape key upgrade that's coming from China? I don't remember. Okay, I'm gonna hang up this picture and then I'm gonna take this upstairs.